Today we're going to be reviewing the YOZMA In10. The YOZMA In10 motor is 2,600 watts. The top speed of the YOZMA In10 is 40 miles per hour. The YOZMA In10 has a 48 volt battery, 23 amp hour. The YOZMA In10's max range is 53 miles. The cost of the YOZMA In10 is $1,600. There's an Amazon link in the description if you want to get one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Next week we'll be unboxing the Studio. You can watch it here.